So let's take this time to go into our meditation. Put aside all your thoughts about what's happening in the world around you. Just let yourself relax. This time is a gift to yourself. Take a deep breath in, knowing that you're in a sacred space. As you breathe out, let your shoulders drop. If you're comfortable, close your eyes. Focus on your breathing, knowing that together you are all joined in one presence and one power. If any thoughts float by, just let them go and breathe. Every time that you are still becomes an opening for spirit to speak. Divine wisdom is alive within you, offering insight and clarity. Allow the power of imagination to show you what is possible. Trust your inner voice that points you toward right action, knowing that all things are possible. As you go into the silence, center your awareness on your heart, knowing that you are one with creation and you honor the divine in you by becoming who you really are. Every breath is a reminder that Spirit sustains me. I am alive with divine vitality. The power of life flows through every cell of my body and every thought of my being. I trust that all is unfolding as it should. I release all thoughts of lack and know that I am so richly blessed. Centered in divine love, I hold each person and situation in my heart, knowing I am one with all creation. As we come back to this time and place, we do so in quiet gratitude. We open our eyes, grateful for our ability to see each person as a sacred being. We stretch, grateful for our ability to move through this world. We recognize that we are so richly blessed, and we say thank you and amen.